Baba.
Welcome to Melbourne. It's my first time.
Well, that's nice. Yeah. So it looks fine. Coming up to 2 o'clock. There's Marble Stadium there. It's very close. Very good. There's. Yay! We're in Melbourne. Welcome to Melbourne, Baba.
Welcome to Melbourne. It's my first time.
Okay. That was quick. Number 2. Okay, Baba. So this is the hotel. How cold it is. Start.
Okay. I think I can manage.
Okay. So we're going to Queen Victoria Market. Start.
Maybe when David.
Start
Let me
walking.
check first.
Huh?
Queen Victoria Market. I will ask this guy.
So. What are you asking, Baba? Okay, here we're staying at the Holiday Inn Express, and we have directions to where we're going to, Baba. Okay, go right here. What do you need? You go in?
I think I need the
Quick, Baba, I'll wait here, you go up.
yeah.
I'll wait here?
Huh?
I'll wait here, you go up.
Yeah.
I thought
Yeah.
Hotel Express. We wait. The chairs here can wait here. So Baba's going back to get her jacket. Baba's going back to get her.
This one,
It's too cold for Baba. Pants only?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or the inner as well.
What's up to you, Baba? You decide. Let me wait here.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll wait here, Baba. Okay, I'll be here. I'll just do the entrance. All right. So Baba's going to change because she says it's too cold. So. Hey, Baba. Okay. Okay, so we're on the 30th floor. Is it working? It's working now. Okay, so where's this one? We're going to the Queen Victoria Market, but right, so Queen Victoria, 20-minute walk. Let's go. It's only a 20-minute walk, apparently. Yeah.
So the train still
Okay, so if this walking Google Maps is going to be the deal, it says go up here and then turn left on King Street. Okay.
This one, left.
Yeah. Go straight. Yeah. So it says on there, on here. If we sometimes it's Google Maps is a little bit, incorrect. I guess it's trying to find your location when you're walking on there, I guess. So yeah, this is good, Bubba. Oh, good. Oh, there's a map here. King Street, Collins Street, Flinders Street, Melbourne Aquarium, Burke Street. Burke Street up that way. It's turned out a nice day. Hey? Yeah, nice day, Bubba.
Where's your small umbrella? I forgot.
Yeah, we can get that if we need it. It's not raining, so we won't need it at this stage. We won't need it, so...
We need umbrella.
So this, hopefully the maps will get us there.
Yeah, this one I already asked someone.
Oh, you already asked someone, okay, but we're using the maps, Bubba. Bubba's asked someone, but I'm using the maps. Okay, I don't need the maps now then, Bubba. She asked the guy on the exit where we're staying. Okay, so this is Arbor Styles. They're all around the world. So, it's turned out a nice day, Bubba. I think it's slightly warmed up, but not much. Slightly warmed up, but not much. Oh, there's the Chemist Warehouse over there. We have to pop in. Chemist Warehouse is there.
Right there.
That's good. There's a tram. Some trams, Bubba. It's supposed to be free transport, isn't there, somewhere? saying you still got to go up, take the pedestrian crossing, and then go up.
Yeah, up there.
Yeah?
You see the garden, then.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Cold, Bubba? Is it cold?
Very cold skiing.
Colder than Japan?
It's
very cold.
The time we went.
Yeah, so here
Japan is not as cold as this.
not as cold, but yeah, it feels cold like when we're in Japan. So yeah, Bubba's got my phone. She's going to tell me where to go. Yeah?
Straight more.
Straight? Okay. Alright. That's nice, Bubba. We're going to do some exercise. Got to keep fit, Bubba. Physical fit, Bubba. It's a green light here, so let's cross here. Watch out, there's no trams, Bubba. There's Bubba. She had to go and do a change. So yeah, that's it's good there. Weather turned out really well. It's nice. I like this cold weather. I get used to it. You've got no choice to get used to it. Oh dear. Alright, so where are we going now, Bubba? The map, where's the phone say? The phone. Show us the phone. What's it saying? Straight? This is Bubba's idea. Bubba's idea. The dog's going for a bit of a stretch. Right there. She's got my phone, but she's not really looking at directions. Come, Bubba, the directions.
Have the subway.
Subway on the way back. Huh?
Yeah.
Bubba,
But
it's very cold. Wind. Very windy, Bubba.
yeah, we
It says take the pedestrian crossing. I'll follow the dogs. Those dogs are going pretty fast, Bubba. Yeah, so we're going to go for the Flagstaff Gardens Park to get to the markets. Okay. Well, it's saying now. Cross over here. Alright, Bubba. I think we're across here. Yeah, straight here. I think.
Victoria Market.
Oh, it's alright. No.
Here?
Yeah, we've got to cross over to here. Got to go to the Flagstaff.
Okay, maybe we just go.
Can you cross there? Don't. Oh, yeah, okay. Alright.
And then this one.
Yeah. So again, Bubba, you like it?
I like Melbourne.
Bubba
It's
likes
nice.
Melbourne. It's first time here.
Yeah,
There's a lot of traffic cameras there, but Bubba, there's traffic cameras over there. So, and a lot of police around, so you're pretty safe there, Bubba. Flagstaff Gardens, Bubba. Oh, this is nice, Bubba. Hey? Not every day you're going to be walking through here, is it, Bubba?
Here, Baba.
Picture?
Nice flagship stores.
Huh?
It's nice.
Nice?
Nice, Baba.
Nice, let's take a look around here. So, this is it here. Bubba wants to take a picture, so you obviously can drop the camera again.
Later?
Yeah, later. We'll. Yeah, later. Okay.
It's nice, huh?
Nice, yeah. This is nice, dear. Bit of a stroll, bit of exercise. Physically fit.
They're wearing there.
Bubba's really enjoying this. A little stroll for Bubba. We've exercised a little, Bubba.
No, they would not.
It's not every day, Bubba, you'd be walking through Melbourne, is it, Bubba? Not every day Bubba's walking through Melbourne, but now she's walking through Melbourne. Interesting, Bubba. Okay, so we found the Queen Victoria Market. So you can see it's actually written on the roof here, Queen Victoria Market. So yeah, a bit of a walk there, Bubba. That's the Melbourne skyline. It's quite nice, the Melbourne skyline there. Okay, so Queen Victoria Market, Bubba, you finally made it. There's the hours there. What's today? It's Tuesday to Sunday. It's Tuesday to Sunday, so Bubba, welcome to the Queen Victoria Markets.
Yay!
You finally made it. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. She wants a photo, so we're going to get a photo here.
Our first tourist attraction for today in
First
Melbourne
tourist
is
attraction
the
in Melbourne.
Victoria Market.
Okay, looks okay. We'll check it out. I'll get a photo of Bubba. Yeah, we did come here. I came here a long time ago. It was on the cruise ship. Birds here? Huh? Pajamas, $15. It's a good deal.
Nice, huh?
Yeah. That's nice too.
Yeah, Baba.
Yeah.
You did this, Baba.
No, for a lady that is. Nice for a lady. That's $29 that one. Or 2 for $55.
Baba?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, but I like the zipper on it. Yeah.
It's really nice.
Nice dear. We've already got 7 kilos, so we can't buy too much. I think we can't buy too much, bro. Not with 7. These sunglasses are pretty good. Love Heart sunglasses. Where's Lucky? We're looking for Lucky. This is the homemade ones. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. This guy was cool. Cooking the corn. Brothers, huh? Huh? Ear warmers, Bubba. Where's Lucky? I need a Lucky ear warmer. Huh? Look at Bubba, she's trying on. Hey Bubba, you're looking for Lucky, the ear warmers.
Bubba is nice, don't you think?
Yeah. Does it feel good, Bubba? Think you're better wearing in Queensland? Bubba, you look different now. You look like you've got a set of headphones on you.
Do you think?
What do you think, Bubba?
What do you think, Skip?
There's a mirror, Bubba. The mirror doesn't lie.
What do you think?
I think it's... Bubba likes these ear warmers here. Earmuffs. The earmuffs, they call earmuffs, $8. They're pretty interesting. Earmuffs. Look at these. This is really cool. This is pretty cool markets. Did you get it, did you, Bubba? Bubba got it? You get it? Ear warmers? Huh? It's up to you. I don't know, Bubba. You decide. You decide, Bubba. You got this. No, fine. I already got one, dear. We only got 7 kilos, so.
This one looks nice. This one looks nice.
I know, but we've already got one, Bubba. And I prefer the Australian one over there.
Which one?
The kangaroo over there.
This one is nice.
Anyway, we've got the food places down this way, Bubba. We're going to get some food. Bubba's found out where to... Huh?
Do you think I should have ear warmer?
It's up to you, Bubba. You know, I'm not deciding for you, Bubba. Later? Come back.
Come back.
Come back, sir. Okay. Alright, Bubba, let's go and get some food. Melbourne. Yeah. Right. I can shop too, Bubba. I can shop too. Yeah, that's a nice one here. Melbourne. All the, we're going to get some food. Bubba's going. Bubba, she likes a bit of retail therapy too, Bubba. See? A bit of retail therapy for Bubba.
The earmuffs, Bubba.
Yeah? I'll get them then. If you got cold ears, get them, dear. Huh? Hey? Hey? Bubba's really eyes are opened up since she's... What's she, dear? Bubba's eyes opened up here. Made in Australia, is it?
How much?
Not sure, Bubba.
Excuse me?
Pennington Coats, Australia. What's this lady? Let me get some food. Huh? How much? Big price on there.
No, there's no price.
No price. How much is that one?
15.
That's good, I like it. White.
Rather than the other one.
Yeah, I think so. Because that covers your whole head.
Huh?
Yeah, I'll help you. Ready for that?
Covers your whole head.
So, this side on their way. Yeah, and then push all the way down. Cover the wheel.
She's getting some food, but she wants to get the hoodie to keep warm. Anyway, just have a walk around, wait for Bubba. Okay, so yeah, it's cool. Not every day you come to Melbourne. I've been in markets for years actually. Some of these markets was when I was on the cruise ship, rushing the seas. You come in here, so it's a big market. Lots to see here. So yeah, we might spend the whole day here looking at the markets. So Bubba, come on, Bubba, did you get it? What's she doing? Bubba, we're gonna get some lunch. You get it?
Huh?
You got it, did you?
20.
Yeah, she got it. Okay. Well, let's go and get some food now. Eh? You warm? She got it. She's happy now. Better than the ear muffs, I think, dear. Keep your head a bit warm then.
This is better than.
Yeah, yeah. It's more fashionable.
This one?
More fashionable.
This one?
Yes, Bubba. You look good, dear. You look good. I like white.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got there. Where are we going, Bubba? The food?
Yeah, there.
Okay.